Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Weeylite WE9 RGB ring light. This has a 3300 mAh battery. It takes 2 hours to charge and it gives a runtime of 80 minutes. This was very kindly sent to me by Weeylite. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, I'll take everything out of the box. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get a warranty card. You get 12 months warranty on this. An instruction manual in different languages. And it also has 2 QR codes, one for iOS and one for Android. You download the Weeylite app. I just went to Google Play and I downloaded the app from there. You don't need to put your email address in or your name or anything. You just download the app and then it runs through Bluetooth. I'll show you that process as well. Type-C cable to charge the light, a phone mount, which is a gooseneck one, but unfortunately mine's broken, a ball head, a tripod. When you open the tripod, there's an extension arm in there. This is a twist lock system. So pull it out, twist it, and it's locked into place. Twist it the other way and then it's back to normal. That has a tripod mount at the bottom as well. Okay, onto the light. It's got some branding there. That's for air outlet. We'll look at those in a bit. It's got a cold shoe mount there. At the front it has a built-in diffusion panel. Has 132 LED lights. Has a built-in 3300 mAh battery. It takes 2 hours to charge and it gives a runtime of 80 minutes, but that depends how bright you have the light. The Bluetooth range will work within 20 meters without any obstructions in the way. The color rendering index on this light is 95, which is good for skin tones. The light goes from 2500K to 8500K. To turn the light on, we just long press the power button. On the display we have some information. CH is the channel number, it's on channel 1. GR is group, it's group A. Battery performance at the top. Mode, that's in clear mode at the moment, CCT. And then the percentage, what we're running the battery at. Then 6000K at the moment. You can adjust it from this dial here. And you push the mode button. That's letting us know power, hue and saturation, so we can adjust that as well. Push that and we can adjust the hue. So just turn the light towards you, see the colour. Push it again, then we've got saturation. Push the mode button again, we get the RGB, can adjust that. Push it again, we get scene mode. It's got 29 built-in scene modes. At the bottom here you could see it's letting us know what scene it's in. You could change the scene from there. Just turn the light towards you. That's the blue colour one now. That's why it says B there. Just keep going. That's a flashing one now. If I just turn the light towards you. That's the flashing one, the other one with the changing colour one. And all these can be controlled in the app as well. So if I push the mode button again, we've gone back to normal. Okay, let's have a look at the app. Okay, so I've downloaded the app. Just click on the app. I've turned my Bluetooth on. They're paired up now. But one thing is very important to remember. So where it says CH on the light, it's 1, and on the phone here you could see that CH1. It's group A, that's on group A as well. If that is not right, if they're different on the light and on the phone, like I've put it on group B now, I'm turning the wheel, it's not changing. I put it on group A, I'm turning the wheel and it's changing. So that's very important to remember. That's power on off. That's a shortcut to turn it on and off. We'll go to CCTR first. So you could slide to control the power, color temperature. You could also do them from here as well, 7000K, or you could customize it. Cancel that, click on HS. I'm moving my finger on the dial and you could see that's changing color. I'll just point the light towards you lot so you can see. Just pick that up. Changing color. And we could also go to scene. It's got slow, normal, fast. If I do flash, firework, we've got flame. There are 29. We could just choose colors as well. So if I go to yellow, purple, and again we could control the power as well. That's if I go back to HSI. Yeah. Overall, I really like this light. It doesn't get too hot. It stays nice and cool. It works really well. It's really good for live streaming, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Even when you're doing meetings, if you've got like Zoom meetings, you can put this behind your webcam to get better image quality. It's a great little light, this. So I'll link it down below if you want to pick this up. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.